Phew! You know how I like to make things fast and easy, right? And yet, we have spent just 3 entire episodes going over all the steps that we need to do before uploading, during uploading, and after uploading of our new YouTube video. That's 4 steps, plus 8 steps, plus another 12 steps. Oh my god, that is a total of 24 steps. How in the world can we remember all these steps every time we upload a video? If you want to ask me, June, are you sure we need to do all 24 steps? My answer is unfortunately yes. After uploading and experimenting with YouTube SEO for years, I finally perfected a system. When I finally got my videos to rank not only on the first page of YouTube, but in the top 5, I kept a record of exactly what I did. When one of my videos was ranked number 3 in 13 minutes with only 5 views, and when another of my video was ranked number 1 in 1 hour with no views, which was absolutely insane. I wrote down and kept track of exactly what I did to achieve that. There are so many steps, at least 24 in all, that even I forget a few steps here and there, especially when I'm in a hurry trying to get my video posted during a busy week. So what's the solution? A checklist. But not just any checklist. An easy to follow checklist that is also a fill in the blanks worksheet, so that you not only make sure you complete each step, but it holds all of your information so that you can go back to it anytime to see what you did. That's where the video upload worksheet that I created for you comes in handy. Download it and open it up. You can see I have 3 tabs that separates all the things you need to do before upload, during upload, and after upload. Let's do a quick review, shall we? Since we already covered them in the previous episodes, we'll go through them rather quickly this time. Click on the Before Upload tab. You can see there are 4 columns reminding you that there are 4 things we need to remember to do before we upload our video and thumbnail onto YouTube. I left 3 of my examples in the Excel document so that you know how to fill it out and what it will look like. First up is to make sure your keywords are in both the title of the video file and in the tags. Second is to confirm if your thumbnail have a hook that makes people want to click it and watch your video. Third is, did you take the time to compare your thumbnail with others showing up for your keyword, making sure that your thumbnail will stand out among the rest. And the 4th step is to make sure your keywords are in both the title of the thumbnail and in the tags. Now your video is ready to upload, as indicated by the upload column. Let's continue and click on the During Upload tab at the bottom of the screen. First up is an obvious one, making sure the title of your video starts with the keywords and ends with a hook. Second is in the description of your video, did you remember to copy and paste the intro of your script? Making sure that your keyword appear no more than 3 times. If you repeat your keywords too many times, YouTube will penalize your video for spamming the description box. Third is, did you segment your video into easy to find sections, allowing YouTube to quickly find value and display it on Google? Fourth is, in the description section, did you link to your other related videos, your channel, and including the top 3 of your competitors' videos? If you are still hesitant on linking to your competitors' videos, remember you just need to put the URL, not the title of the video, and no one will click on your competitor's link. We are doing this to get on the algorithm's good side, thinking we are supporting their community of other content creators. Fifth is to put no more than 3 hashtags related to your video, starting with your keyword in the first hashtag. Sixth is an important one and the easiest to do. Did you remember to add the video to a playlist? Or create a playlist complete with keywords for it? Seventh is the hardest to do and yet also the easiest to do, which is to put no more than 3 tags starting with your keyword. Even if you are tempted to put more, it's best to be laser focused on the keyword tags you want to rank for within the first 24 hours, and then add more later on. And finally, the 8th step to do during your video upload is to remember to uncheck and not allow people to sample your content, because it makes no sense right now to let people steal parts of your video without giving you credit for it. Okay, how are you doing? Are you still awake? Take a deep breath, and let's continue to the 3rd tab. 12 more things to do after you upload. As soon as you publish, you can see I created a column for you to put your video URL so you can easily find it for future reference. First up is the weird one. Did you like your own video? Unlike Facebook, who tells the whole world if you liked your own post, YouTube keeps that private and helps add a tiny boost of engagement and social proof. Second is, have you opened 5 new windows and played your videos from start to finish 5 times total? Even though it may also feel really weird to do it, it actually gives that initial boost of engagement and audience retention that wakes YouTube up and let it know you just published something so that your video don't stay stagnant for hours. Third is to go to the details of your video and add a card that links to one or more of your other relevant videos. The key is to do it past 30% of your video and not break YouTube's 1/3 rule. Fourth is to do something similar and add an end screen that links to the next video in the series, keeping people hooked so that more people binge watch your videos in succession. The fifth step is the last thing to do on YouTube, which is to add your video's keyword and URL into the description of your previous relevant videos. This will complete the linking process and have each of your videos connected and linking together, all promoting each other organically, making it a beautiful thing, right? Okay, the sixth step is off of YouTube. If you want to try it, you can share your keyword and URL on pingomatic.com, just like what bloggers do. After that is what I like to call the 3 jabs in quick succession. Step 7, 8, and 9 is you promoting your new video on your social media, your email list, and your website. If you are going to embed the link on your website, don't forget to play it once through so that YouTube is immediately aware that your video is being played outside of YouTube. You can't have a jab without a follow-up punch, right? That's why we finish up our video upload worksheet with not just 3 punches, but 3 uppercuts. I like to think of them as uppercuts because they are so powerful. Step 10, 11, and 12 is you posting your video link on your Facebook page and boosting it, ordering backlinks from Fiverr, and finally, promoting the video with YouTube ads. And that's it! You finally made it! Give yourself a big pat on the back and a hug, because if you follow the steps correctly, your video has a very good chance in being ranked. Your video is like a seed that's in a greenhouse. It has the proper nutrients and the proper living conditions to grow and thrive. In the next episode, we are going to double down and go all in and explain the difference between organic traffic and paid traffic and why you need both for your seed, your video, your business, your legacy to grow. Can't wait.